while millions are getting vaccinated across the Lone Star State, fewer people of color are actually ending up on that list. The big question tonight, why? Jarrell Baker is in Bell County with a closer look.
Texas administered nearly 7 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines, but blacks, Asians, and other minorities are significantly less vaccinated across the state.
The mask mandate is changing, puts us at more risk than the rest of the community. A lot of us are in the service industry. So we work in the restaurants, the fast food places, places where we really can't socially isolate.
According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, only 2.3% of Asians, 6.7% of blacks, and nearly 8% of Hispanics make up those vaccinated in Bell County, compared to 45% of white people. And nearly 30% of vaccinations are unknown.
It's being noticed across the country. In addition, the number of patients who are coming in really sick with COVID are reflecting that many people of color are getting actually sicker.
Local experts say there's a growing number of factors, including vaccine hesitancy and a distrust of the medical community.
People are hesitant to get a vaccine when they have knowledge of things like the Tuskegee syphilis trial, when they have experienced racism in the healthcare system, when they have any kind of these institutional discrimination experiences.
But many agree the main problem is access.
We're missing the mark on where these vaccine sites need to be located to make it more convenient for those who are underserved in our communities to be able to get to.
Local community leaders say many minorities don't have reliable internet access or even transportation, which is why vaccination sites need to be closer to where they live.
One of those areas, of course, is downtown Killeen off of Rancier, as well as apartment complexes and duplexes. You have low to moderate income families that are living in those areas.
The Killeen branch of the NAACP say they plan on working with local hospitals to develop a mobile vaccination clinic. Bell County officials say they also plan on making a mobile clinic to help meet the need. In Bell County, Jarrell Baker, 25 News.
Misinformation about vaccines and a lack of health insurance could be additional factors. Across the state, over 260,000 African Americans have gotten at least one shot of the vaccine. That number is 872,000 for Hispanics and more than 263,000 for Asian Americans here in Texas. Well over 1.7 million white people have gotten at least a shot.